Wow, Apple really wants to make stuff cheap. They're now lowering the price for their MacBooks if you want to upgrade the SSD. Let's find out what that's all about. So according to this article here from 9 to 5 Mac, Apple is lowering the price if you want to upgrade the SSD for your MacBook. For example, a 4TB SSD for a 512GB 15-inch MacBook Pro used to cost $2,800. It now costs $1,400. That's $1,800 cheaper. Apple also got rid of the 1.5TB SSD for the MacBook Air. You now have a 1TB upgrade for the SSD. That 1TB option will be available for $400. That's half the price of the 1.5TB option. Apple isn't only doing this for the MacBooks. They're also doing this with the iMac Pro, the Mac Mini, and the MacBook Air line. Apple updating the MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini SSD is pretty awesome. Now if you want to update to a higher storage configuration, you no longer have to pay unnecessary amounts of money. Which, don't get me wrong, it's still expensive, but at least it's a little cheaper. We should be thankful. We don't know when Apple might do this again. Looks like Apple isn't confident about the entry-level MacBook Pro or the MacBook Air keyboard. You'll see where I'm going with this in a second. If you guys haven't watched my last video, that will be down below in the description because you guys have to watch that video before you come to this video. Apple released the MacBook Pro entry-level model as well as the MacBook Air refresh with new processor, True Tone, Retina displays, Touch Bar, and Touch ID, as well as the T2 security chip. They also released them with that weird butterfly mechanism, and they also launched a program which will allow users with a messed up keyboard to send in their MacBook for repairs. Apple, if you knew the keyboard was going to have problems, why did you put that particular keyboard there? Just why? Apple describes this issue as letters repeating themselves or keys feeling sticky and unresponsive. If you have an issue, you can just take it to an Apple store and they'll fix it up for you. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know with a like or dislike. If you guys want to see more videos concerning all things Apple, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for all things Apple, and I will see you guys in my next video. I've been Tian Official. I will see you guys next time.